Hey guys, here I am again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and this is a unit that I did a video on a little over a week ago. I had stated that I wasn't going to send it out until it sat for a week and the track change function still worked. As I mentioned before, pretty much anybody can get an 8-track player working on the bench. And while it's apart on the bench, it'll change tracks all day long. The real test is letting the unit sit for an entire week and then making sure it can still wake up and perform properly. So that's what we're going to do now. If we're still switching tracks, it's going back to the customer. If it doesn't switch tracks, it's going back with a refund because I would not consider the track change mechanism to be reliable enough after the 40, 50 years. So let's go ahead and let's go ahead and turn it on to the radio first. Okay, switch it over to tape, and let's pop a tape in and see how we do. So far, so good. Okay, at the end of a song there, so okay, no cross up between tracks. And incidentally, this 8-track player doesn't put out much compared to the radio section. That's pretty common, but the 8-track section is much lower in volume. What there's come on, baby. The world down, 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 right. Everybody's got to ride. The world tweedledee, down, 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 right. Understand? You don't know down. Up the map. That's the way she got. Alrighty, sounds good to me. You just need to remember that you need to wait about 5 seconds. You can't repeatedly hit this. You cannot repeatedly hit the channel change button because it has to wait for a capacitor to charge up before it's ready to change tracks again. So you need to change tracks. Need to wait about 5 seconds between track changes. So that's the only caveat, and that's just a natural way the unit operates. That's the way it was designed. And so I'm out of here. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and to reach me for service, please visit the website in the description below, and please download and print the work order before calling me with a bunch of questions, because that's what the work order is for. The work order is designed to answer all your questions about my options, prices, and turn times as you're filling it out. After you've got my work order in your hand, then you're welcome to call me with any questions that the work order doesn't answer, or if you just want to talk to me for a couple minutes to make sure you can trust me and all that cool stuff. And to that end, I have been BBB accredited with an A+ rating for more than a decade, so trust shouldn't be an issue. And I also have almost 1,000 videos now on YouTube. This will be 951, so we're quickly reaching that 1,000 mark. So thanks again for watching, listening, and thank you, Les, for your business all the way from Rhineville, Kentucky, and we'll see you guys next time.